Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to teach you Island Style by John Cruz. Island Style uses 4 chords. It starts with an F chord, uses F, C, G7, and a C7. For the strumming pattern, for the most part, I'm doing down, down, up, down, up, except it's faster. Down, down, up, down, up. I also do a little bit of finger picking, and there will be the notes underneath with circles to show you how to do it, and something on the side to show you how I'm doing it. I do a finger picking introduction and a finger picking instrumental interlude. If you sign up for our email list at ukulele.io, we can get the finger picking and the lyrics and chords to you. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoy it. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. Mama's in the kitchen cooking dinner real nice. Beef stew on the stove, loamy salmon with the ice. We eat and drink and we sing all day. Kani kapila in the old Hawaiian way. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. We go grandma's on the weekend clean yard, 'cause if we no go, grandma gotta work hard. You know my grandma, she like a boy real sour. I love my grandma every minute, every hour. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. Mama's in the kitchen cooking dinner real nice. Beef stew on the stove, loamy salmon with the ice. We eat and we drink and we sing all day. Kani kapila in the old Hawaiian way. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. From the mountain to the ocean, from the mountain to the leeward side. Enjoy! If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon, where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.